Hey guys, you remember that buffing kit that I got that I told you I'd try out as I go out of focus? Well, let me tell you something. On focus. There we go. How does it work? Or how well does it work, and does it fall apart? Well, there's one side of the axe. Here's the other. This is what it looked like all the way around. This is what it looks like now. And it actually works. Worth the $5? Yes. Can I recommend this from Harbor Freight? Amazingly so. Or I was really lucky and got one of the ones that didn't fly apart when I first hooked it up to my angle grinder. But yeah, so far, happy. Just got more work to do now. Match it up. So, the Chicago Electric 43657 4-piece set with the white and the red polishing compounds. So far I'm happy. And you don't see me happy about, Harbor Freight stuff all too much. So anyways, y'all take care. Enjoy the little bitty update. And yeah, if you need to make something nice and shiny, it's a affordable option. It's worth the the $4.67 or $5 or whatever the heck it was. I might have to go get another one later down the road. So y'all take care, stay safe. Shop safety is just as important as firearm safety. You screw something up, somebody could die. Take care.